Yeah, what's up guys, my name is Wayford. Welcome to my 10th Visual Basic tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about something fresh. In the last tutorial I did an example based on all what we have done in the last tutorial. Let me say in the last 8 tutorials I did before I did the 9th tutorial. So today I'll be talking about the if statement. An if statement is a conditional statement. Before I go into details, let me just clear this off so there won't be any confusion here. So I'll still be using the same example I did here, but okay, let me just leave this here. Or probably I might still need this. Okay, I might still need this. Let me just clear this off. So an if statement is a conditional statement. Is a conditional statement such that if an event doesn't occur, then if an event occur, then something should happen. I don't know if you actually get that. So if the lecturer come to the class, then we would do the test. So you get that. This is just a simple scenario whereby you test for an event and then you provide an output. So the way an if statement works is such that if, let's say, if num1 is greater than 3, then an event should occur. So this is a structure of a simple if statement. So this is the full structure. An if statement must always end. When you start an if statement like this, you must always end the if statement with an end if statement. So in here is where you write the statement you want to write, or the statement. So here is the condition. If this and this, if this condition is met, then this event should occur. So before you can set a condition, then you need to use a relational operator, and relational operators are this. I had to screenshot the program. I had to screenshot a tutorial of my console tutorial. It's actually on YouTube also. So this is a console program, but I talked about the if statement also, so I don't want to type all this all over again. I believe this is clear enough for us to see. So this is the greater than sign, which is this, and this is the less than sign. This is the not equal to sign. This is the equal to sign. This is the greater than or equal to. This is the less than or equal to. So we'll go into example by using each and every one of this, so we'll be able to understand this better. So the first thing I have here is the greater than sign. So let me go to my program and show you. So which is here. So if num1 is greater than this, then there should be an output here. Let me just use this display. So anything I input in num1, if it is greater than 3, then there should be this output. So let me run this program and see for you. Okay, I have an issue here. It should be a double quotation mark. So that was what I was having an error. So let me run this again and see. So now you can see. So this first text box is my num1. So let me type 1 and see what's gonna happen. You can see there is no output. So if what is here is greater than 3, okay, okay, let me just clear this off. I shouldn't have left all this blank. Let me delete all this and run it again. So this is 1 here. There is display num1. I shouldn't have this display. Okay, sorry about that. So I told you this is the statement and this is where the condition is meant to be. So this shouldn't be outside here, it should be inside the if statement. So that's why I was having the error. So let me run this again for you to see. So if num1 is greater than 3, then I should have the output. So if I type 1 and then click on solve, then there won't be an output. If I type 2, there won't be an output. But once I type, even if I type 3, there won't be an output because I said greater than 3. So greater than 3 is going to start from the figure 4. So typing 4 here and clicking on this, I will have the output display. So I believe you understand this. Greater than 3 says that the number is going to start counting from 3, not will start counting from 4, sorry, so not from 3. So in order to make the program start counting from 3, then we have greater than or equal to 3. See, that is how to use greater than or equal to. So let's run this program and see. So in here, in the previous one, when I said greater than 3, when I typed 3, there was no output. But in here, if I type 3, there will be an output. You can see. So greater than or equal to 3 says that the number is going to start counting from 3. So in any programming language you're writing, all these relational operations are the same. So don't get it twisted in any other programming language. Greater than or equal to 3, it will start counting from 3. But greater than 3, it's going to start counting from 4. So let's do another example, which is the equal to. So the equal to says that if the number in here is 3, then there should be an output. So let me run this program for you to see. So if I type any other thing different from here, there won't be an output. If it is 2, there won't be an output. There will only be an output if the number here is 3. So that is the equal to. In some other programming language, we use double equal to as to assign equal to, but in the Visual Basic, it is a single equal to. So now same thing is applicable to the less than or equal to. So when you say less than or equal to 3, it says that the number will start counting from 3, 2, 1, 0, and then after backwards. So if you type 4 in here, is there going to be an output? There won't be an output. So once I type 3, there will be an output because I said less than or equal to 3. So even if I type 0, there will be an output. So let me try something here. Let me try a negative number, -6. You can see there's an output because -6 is less than 3. So what if we used less than? So when you use less than, you should know that all the numbers should come from minus whatever to 2. So if I type 3 here, is there going to be an output? No. But once I type anything less than 3, there will be an output. So that is the less than. So and then not equal to, which is this, which is the greater than and the less than sign at the same time. So what it's saying is that if you type any other thing apart from 3, there will be an output. So when you type 4, there will be an output. And type 45, there will be an output. But when you type 3, there wouldn't be an output. So that is the not equal to. So I believe you all understand how to use the if statement. This is just a simple program where I declared num1 as an integer, and then anything imputed in the text box 1 should be passed into the num1, and I use the num1 to test whatever or what is there. So in some cases whereby you have 2 or more conditions, okay, I'm going to do that in the next tutorial. So let's just keep this simple. This is a simple if statement. Ensure when you start with an if statement, always end the if statement. So thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Peace out.
I say when I know the sheep bread, not talk about cara. All these girls